Hello guys, welcome to Rishmi Sharma classes again. And today's topic is catalytic hydrogen wave, which is another topic of polarography. Right guys? So firstly we will introduce it. Right? When a small amount of substance is added to analyte, then the magnitude of current more enhanced. It means magnitude of current is enhanced by small amount of substance. Such a current is called catalytic current. So this kind of current is called catalytic currents. Since the added substances is not consumed by electrolysis, so this substance play part of catalyst and hence the wave it generate is called catalytic wave. So from here you get the what is catalytic wave. Catalytic current is working here and we add a substance that is not consumed by electrolysis. So this substance play part of catalyst and this catalyst will create a wave. You can say it will generate a wave. So this is called catalytic wave. The wave generated by catalyst is called catalytic wave. Is that clear guys? The catalytic wave don't show linear relationship. So they needed calibration curve. The catalytic wave are dependent on surface area of mercury and independent of drop time of mercury. So you have to remember that catalytic wave is dependent of surface area of mercury and independent of drop time of mercury. Clear guys? Catalytic wave are arise from following mechanism. So what is the mechanism? We can show reaction here that oxidation will get electron and get reduced, right? Reduction plus Z, any kind of element will get oxidized. So these are two equations which we have shown to show the mechanism. You can use another type of equation to show this, no issue. What is Z here? The above reaction, Z is substance which will don't reduce any certain potential catalytic wave are obtained in many mixture of transition metal ions such as tungsten, vanadates, molybdenates with oxidizing agent like nitrate, chlorate, hydrogen peroxide. Clear guys? That we are adding some kind of mixture. And what is the mixture here? Transition metal plus oxidizing agent. So these are transition metal. You can get that tungsten is forming tungstate, vanadium is forming vanadates, molybdenum is forming molybdenates, and oxidizing agent is here nitrate, chlorate, hydrogen peroxide. So it is a mixture of these two substances. Is that clear guys? After that, the height of catalytic wave are very sensitive due to variation of pH. So it means we can say that height will be affected by pH range. It means acidic and basic nature, temperature and other conditions. So we can clearly say that catalytic wave is affected by acidic and basic nature, temperature and other condition like you can say pressure and environmental conditions. Okay. These waves are generally used in analytical chemistry because of their higher sensitivity. So these are generally used in analytical chemistry for higher sensitivity. It is an important kind of use that these are highly sensitive. Right guys? After this, in catalytic wave, the catalytical current is produced and thus we observe catalytical current in the solution contains base B. Any kind of base you can show, but we have used B, so we will give equation on the basis of B. You can use any kind of base. This base is not reducible and it can catalyze the reduction of proton by following mechanism. So what is the mechanism here? That is, we are using base with any kind of acid that will give you ion formation, Hb positive and A removal. So this A is removed here and B is getting position. So that is reversible also. So we have shown here reversible sign. Hb is formed here. So it is using next catalyst. So the reaction will be just like this. That we will convert this ion into a simpler form, and this simpler form will break down to give hydrogen and B again. So these are some equations which are showing the mechanism. So in this equation 3 is reversible equation we are showing here. Equation 4 is electron transfer reaction, and equation 5 is bimolecular reaction. Is that clear, guys? After this, in above reaction, Ha may be hydronium ion because H is H positive, right? So Ha may be hydronium ion, and another proton donor, any kind of proton donor, because H positive is usually used as proton donor. So such catalytical wave are obtained with many organic compound like amine and amino acid. You can use any kind of organic compound. It may be amine, it may be amino acid, it may be any other material, whatever you like. The catalytical hydrogen wave are observed with some inorganic substances also. So, by the above mechanism, it is clear that the proton transfer reaction is rate determining reaction, which is reversible in nature. It is also observed that in the solution of organic compound, the catalytical wave will result from the reduction of over voltage of mercury or H. Sorry guys. Okay. Where are we? It is also observed that the solution of organic compound, the catalytical wave will result from the reduction of over voltage. It means catalytical wave will depend upon over voltage of mercury or H positive. It increase the rate of hydrogen discharge. The catalytical hydrogen wave was first observed in proton solution. It was also noted that the catalytical effect of protein. It was also noted that catalytical effect of protein and other compound will increase the rate of reaction. So you can say catalytical effect is increased by protein and other compound that will affect the rate of reaction. Clear, guys? After this, these waves has been used to estimate sub-micro amount of alkoids. So we can show a graph like this. This is current and this is voltage, and you will get some readings from here, and graph will be something like this. You can observe this. These wave has been used to estimate sub-micro amounts of alkoids. In this graph, there is a change in limiting current for formaldehyde with various height of mercury column. This is different height of mercury column which is shown in reading. The height of catalytical wave appear to a complex function of concentration of catalyzing agent. The catalytical wave are dependent on the surface area of mercury dopes. So you can clearly say that catalytical wave are dependent on surface of mercury dope, which we have discussed in last video also. And it should be independent of other conditions. It means it is only dependent on mercury dopes, area of mercury dopes, and independent of other all conditions. There are various mechanisms of catalytical hydrogen wave which have been explained by above mechanism. By this mechanism, which we have given 3 kinds of reaction like this mechanism. Clear, guys? So last one is, what are the applications of catalytic hydrogen wave, which is most important, because if we know about catalytical hydrogen wave, then we should know about the applications of it also, if we have to cover the complete question or complete topic about it. So catalytical wave have very high sensitivity, we have discussed, right? They will show a possible of detection and estimation of micro amount of substance. Clear, guys? That it will show the possibility of detection and and estimation of micro amount of substance. Next one is, their application are limited because of their relationship between their concentration and height of catalytic wave is not generally observed. So you can clearly say that its application are limited, right? In catalytical hydrogen wave, the calibration curve is obtained, which is used to estimate the substance within a limiting range. Clear, guys? Here is a calibration curve is obtained, and which is used for limiting range. Clear that? If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell icon. Thank you, guys.